Today we are going to analyze one of the Nifty 50 stock, that is SBI Life. Yesterday we analyzed Power Grid. So first of all, have a look on Power Grid on a daily basis. I told you if breakout comes, it will go up 7 rupees 85 paisa, 3.84%. That is 212 rupees 25 paisa current CMP, that is current market price. And I told you it is going with the support and resistance. So whenever you see any video, just keep looking these type of things. Definitely that will work for you. So today we are going to analyze SBI Life finance domain, 11 rupees 88 1180 1188 rupees 55 paisa. 1 rupees 90 paisa is 2 days increment and 0.16%. So as you know, my analysis always move from monthly basis to weekly to daily to hourly time frame on charts, and also my analysis revolve around support and resistance, trend lines, and if any patterns is there or price action is always there. So because in Gujarati we always listen in stock market, and that Bahu Bhagwan che. So even I am also a fan of these things, and I always follow these things. So on a monthly basis, if I am able to see, guys, this stock started in 2018, and so it is going like that. Guys, the breakout will definitely come within 3 4 5 months, but we need to keep an eye on it. And any chart pattern I'm not able to see in monthly basis, but yes, let me mark the support and resistance. Resistance is, you can say, uh, the roof is the resistance where you, and the support is where you are standing right now, so something like the top and bottom. So here the resistance is, first resistance is 1278 rupees, second resistance is 1218, third resistance is 1189, first support is 1140, second support is 1101. So let me analyze this thing in weekly basis. Guys, in weekly basis we don't have any trend line right now, but this is, here it is revolving, so keep have an eye on it. Definitely a breakout on upside 1278, downside 1104. And on a daily basis, so I'm just removing this line. Daily basis, guys, I'm able to see one trend line, this. Unless until this trend line is break, it will never come down line or downside, and it is always moving upward till then. And let me analyze in hourly basis. So in hourly basis, I'm not able to see any trend line, but yes, this I am marking, this might be the resistance. If you see this, this wick and this wick, 1204, it breaks 1204, definitely 1218, and after 1218 it will reach definitely till 1239. So guys, this is all about SBI Life, and today I'm not going into the previous chart, but yes, today I am adding one more chart with you guys, that is Apple, that is related to US stock market. So just have a glance for these charts also from same monthly. 1981, guys, this chart started, and if you see, see how it moves. It moves within last you can say 1 or 2 years. In Apple is marked in USD. So 183, 184. Second highest is 165, that is the support. Third major support is 157. And let me analyze on a weekly basis. So you see I am able to see one trend line in Apple also. Fine. And mm, guys, any other mm, let me analyze on a daily basis. On a daily basis, see how much dividend it provides. $0.22 dividend. Last time 0.22. So this is like any trend line is there. Yes, I am able to see one trend line. It is marking like this. And so might be the from the highest price, this one is the highest price, and it retraces, touches the highest one, retraces yesterday. So keep have an eye on it on Apple stock also. So right now I'm targeting 5 to 10 stocks from US market and Nifty 50 stocks. We keep on working with the same stocks in the future also. Future in the sense like for next one few months. And like do, and one disclaimer from my end, I am not a like a registered SEBI guy, and I am not a registered anywhere else. This channel is for education purpose only. We work with price action, support and resistance trend lines, try to figure it out. If anything we are able to find that will work for you guys, because you should also analyze the charts. And if you are going to do trade, keep take wise decisions, and along with that do consult with your financial advisor. And do subscribe to my channel, please share my videos, and do let me know if you require that I should add few more things. Definitely I will work on it. And I'm also on the same pace like you guys. As you guys are learning, I'm also learning, and learning is a never ending process. So guys, have a good day and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.